I have reliable information from a trusted source that one of your close associates, someone you frequently dine with, has given the order to prepare an operation for my physical elimination. This order also includes the liquidation of several key representatives of the Alatra organization. I am profoundly concerned that the respected Igor Mikhailovich Danilov is on this hit list as well. With all seriousness, I emphasize that Igor Mikhailovich is a figure of genuine exceptional stature. He possesses deep knowledge that is key to ultimately overcoming the global climate challenge. Mr. Danilov's unique understanding of climatic processes and exceptional forecasting abilities are invaluable and irreplaceable for solving this problem. This is indisputable. We have witnessed that Mr. Danilov's climate forecasts 10 years ago have been confirmed with remarkable accuracy up to the present day. It is highly undesirable that his forecasts for the near future also come true. Mr. Danilov has also played a crucial role in our scientific research activities. His deep understanding of physical processes has enabled the creation of unique equipment to mitigate the effects of climate change. Our current knowledge and capabilities result from our collaboration with Mr. Danilov. His contributions are invaluable, and the loss of such a person would be an irreparable blow to all humanity. If we lose him, we will be left with nothing. Therefore, eliminating him would deprive humanity of its only chance. Mr. Danilov and I have already provided convincing evidence that we possess the knowledge and ability to deliver the necessary solutions to prevent climate catastrophes. For 10 years now, our experimental equipment protected your country, as well as parts of China, Kazakhstan, and Eastern Europe. Now that its operation has ceased, look at what is happening with the frequency and intensity of climate disasters in these same regions. The situation has worsened significantly everywhere. It was much more stable during the 10 years our equipment was operational. This gives me the right to assert that we, unlike others, have a much deeper understanding of the Earth's climatic and geodynamic systems. And with us, humanity's chance to withstand climate change can be quite real. I also want to address the person who gave this order and those who were planning to carry it out. Are you prepared to destroy the only people capable of preventing climate catastrophe? Suppose you succeeded. History shows that any person can be killed. Even Jesus Christ was crucified in his time. But what then? After crucifying us now, what will you do about the climate? How do you plan to stop the impending climate catastrophe? Let me put it metaphorically. Try to extinguish burning oil on a hot pan with water is very dangerous. It will explode. I hope you understand my point. And you, Mr. Putin, take note of what the Nazis behind your back are doing. They want to kill the only people who can solve the climate issue. The history of our activities speaks for itself. Our work has already saved you colossal amounts of money and provided Russia with the best climate conditions in the world for 10 years while our experimental installation was operational. And these resources would be quite sufficient for us to solve the climate problem worldwide if we were provided with the appropriate conditions. Allow me to ask you, Mr. Putin, if you allow their plan to be carried out, who will address the climate problems after our elimination? Do you have specialists capable of handling this task? I will answer for you. You don't. You don't have such people. Yes, you have a few brilliant scientists who could assist us, but you do not have the single person who possesses all the necessary knowledge to fully solve the problem of the rapidly escalating climate catastrophes and the impending global collapse. And please note that while someone behind your back is issuing an order for my elimination and that of several people from Alatra, including Mr. Danilov, I am concerned about you. Yes, this is unconventional. I could have taken a different path, but you understand why I chose this approach and why I speak this way. I am fully aware that every word I say provokes fierce rejection from those who are currently manipulating you, Mr. Putin. But I cannot and will not remain silent. You must know the truth. Your so-called close associates are playing a dangerous game, putting the fate of billions of people at stake. Believe me, if the problem only concerned you or your country, I would not intervene. But today I address you to protect all people, including your children. My duty is to warn all of humanity about the impending threat.